weather, it blue. It's Christmas. Without you.
Oh my god, your face is so dirty. Clean off that face.
I'm chubby.
Gross.
Porky Pig is chubby.
No, oh my god. You guys are supposed to sing along to this.
Okay.
Or pretend that you're Porky Pig.
I'm the big fat Porky Pig. There's a kid Lena. Lena. Yes, Lena is a big fat Porky Pig.
Hey, that's not nice.
Lena's a big.
Moo, 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 moo. It's not a touch screen, Lena. I know what songwriter likes, not this one. Okay, let's go.
A baby?
No, not that one. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh yeah! No! Beavis a butthead.
So who's Beavis?
It sounds like Ozzy.
He's butthead because his face looks like a butt. Your butthead. Your face looks like a butt.
You guys aren't showing the awesomeness of the song. You're not showing true appreciation. There, that's better. Who sings that?
Barnman.
Who sings it though?
Ozzy.
Ozzy! Oh, not this song. Why did I have that on?
Oh, come on.
Well, this is a good one, but it makes me cry.
So this is Christmas.
Hey, no, no. Down.
No, just wait. No, here it is. I think this is the one.
Yeah.
Got a song! Okay, enough with the cat sounds. Back to Boston. Beat St. Louis, the Cars reverse, but Bambino really blew it. Oh, okay, you guys have to sing the chorus. It's kind of like being able to say a swear word. Sing it. Freaking Christmas, all in New York, your fans can kiss this. Meaning kiss my butt. Sing it, Ryder.